Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the ZinQ Sound Trix 1 Bluetooth earphones. On the front of the box, we simply have some ZinQ branding on the bottom. Over here, we have a barcode and the model name is right on top. The top of the box, on the sides, there is nothing. On the back, we have some manufacturing and importing information, and we have the customer care details as well. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the headset itself, the charging cable, additional ear tips, and a feedback card. We also have a user manual, and this should help you get started off with using the device. In terms of the ear tips, we have a size larger and a size smaller than the ear tips that are already fixed on the headset. The charging cable has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. It's approximately 8 inches total. Coming to the headset itself, we can see that it is completely black in color, black color theme that is, and it is built really well with rubberized finishes around the earbuds and around the inline control unit as well. The cable is of the flat kind, so hopefully it should not tangle up too much. When it comes to the earbuds, it has small, medium size ear tips at the moment, easily removable, and it also has a hook type ear tips. Basically, this helps you with giving you a secure fit while doing some rigorous physical activity. The earbuds are magnetic, so it can lock into place around your neck when not in use. The earbuds also have some zinc branding on them. Coming to the inline control unit, as mentioned earlier, it has a rubberized matte finish on it. The charging port is right here, micro USB, same as the cable, and it has a few buttons as well. The buttons include the middle button. It will be a multi-function button which will be used to power the device on and switch it off. The buttons next to it are to change, increase or decrease the volume. Uh, to get started off with using the headphones, we will power it on using the multi-function button. Since this is the first time we are powering on the device, it will go into pairing mode automatically as is indicated by the LED light in the middle that is blinking red and blue, indicating that it is in pairing mode. Next, we will go into the available devices section of our Bluetooth settings and wait for it to show up. Here we see that the Bluetooth name of the device is ZinQ Sound Trix 1. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback, and the battery level is at 50%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the ZinQ Sound Trix 1 Bluetooth earphones. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.